This packaging, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Hey loves, so today we're gonna do a ShopHush haul. My chair's moving. So we're gonna do a ShopHush haul today, which is something that I have not done here on my channel. They did reach out to me a little while ago, wanted to send me some of their best-selling palettes, given life has been crazy lately, so I haven't had a chance to even really dig into these. I have opened them. I have looked at them. I'm a little in love. I'm pretty excited. If you guys don't know what ShopHush is, it's almost all dupes. So if you love dupes, we know your girl loves dupes. I know you guys love dupes. They're fun. They're fun. First of all, look at this box. So cute. So cute. So we're just gonna jump in. I'm gonna show you what they sent. There's some exciting things in here. So we're literally just gonna jump in. I don't know the prices off the top of my head, but I will include them in the video so you can see them, and then I will tell you what I think it's a dupe of. If I don't know, I'll ask you guys, so you guys can let me know down in the comments which each one is a dupe of. And then if there's any of these that you want an actual video comparing, like how I do those Makeup Revolution dupe tutorials, you just let me know. Your girl will get on it. Okay, so we are going to jump in and I'm gonna show you what they have sent me. Oh, I was gonna find out my coupon code because I know I have one. I think it's shortcake for 10% off, but let me see. Okay, it doesn't say exactly what the discount code is for. I will try and find that out, but it's shortcake. So if you wanna save some money, use that. All right, so we're gonna jump in. The first thing in here is the Rosé Highlight Collection. From the picture on the back, it looks like the Nicole Guerrero and Anastasia collab, which you know that I love. First of all, their packaging is really nice. It comes with a mirror. So that is wonderful. This is what it looks like. It feels nice and sturdy. It is cardboard, but it feels really sturdy. How many times can I say sturdy? So this is what the inside looks like. I'm going to show you up close because I can do that now. Kind of close up, and we're just going to swatch a few of these. Very soft. There's the first three. So I'm just going to swatch them on my hand right there. Because your girl's kind of far away right now. But look at those. Ooh, that white is beautiful. So there you go. Look how pretty those are. I don't think they're quite as glittery as the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero ones. I wonder if I have that palette right here. I do appreciate that they slightly switched up the order. So props to that, because I know people get upset when other brands don't switch up the order. But look, there's the difference. The top one is the ShopHush one. The bottom one is the Anastasia one. The only difference that I really see is the glitter content. I feel like this one, the Anastasia one, is a little more glitter-tastic. But yeah, if you guys want a side-by-side actual video comparing these, like using one on one cheek, one on the other cheek, holler at your girl. I think I might do like a whole video where I do whatever dupes that I have of these, you know? So that's the first one. Most of these palettes are around 10 bucks. It's that I do know. And then if the coupon code's like 10% off, that would be like $9 a palette. Crazy good deals. I am going to open this one next. This is the Sugar palette. This packaging. Oh, this packaging is so cute. So cute. Off the top of my head, I'm not sure what this is supposed to be duping, but look how cute this is. If I made a palette, like, I feel like it would look like this. Like, oh, it's so cute. Peach palette. It's the peach palette. That's definitely the peach palette. Look at that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm gonna be real, I don't know where my peach palette is right now, but if you guys want a video comparing the two, I'm not gonna swatch every single thing. Hopefully that's cool with you guys, but I will swatch a few. That's some nice pigment on that guy. Let's swatch this green one, Pistachio. The names are super cute too. Like I was like, I don't know what this is. And as soon as I opened it, I was like, girl. So far, really, really nice. I'm gonna swatch one of these pale shades. Ooh. When you can actually see a pale shade, like given of course it blends with my skin because my skin is like super fair. It doesn't really smell like peaches, so if you've been wanting a peach palette but the overwhelming peach smell is too much for you, then maybe this guy will be a good compromise. I really want to swatch Chocolate Cake because it's all about those warm tones. These look really nice. They look really nice. So if you are, again, wanting to try that peach palette but don't want to pay for the peach price, this packaging, it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, next, I actually have this out of the packaging because this is the one thing that I actually did use. This is the Unicorn Glow Highlight Collection. I had this around Halloween, so I've had this stuff for a little while. Oh my God. time, November and December did not exist to me. They just did not exist. So I tried this around Halloween because I was a mermaid and I needed some sort of glow, some glow. This is definitely the, I feel like the Aura is the one, or Aurora. I always call it Aura, but I think it's Aurora. Yeah, it's definitely the Aurora right there. So I do have this palette somewhere. So once I find it, I can do a dupe sort of thing for that one too. If you guys want me to literally just like swatch all the highlight palettes and do a dupe video, I'm down with that. You let me know. Very soft, but look at that reflection. Ooh, that's pretty. That blue one. Girl. Ready? Look how pretty those are. I want to get the nice reflection. There you go. Very impressed. Very impressed. So again, this one is the Unicorn Glow Highlight Collection. This is the Retro Love 14 color eyeshadow collection. Okay, so you guys know that I've been talking about the mint chocolate palette from Makeup Revolution and how I thought it was Dupe Culture, and then everyone's like, girl, no, it's not. I have that one right here too, but this is not a Makeup Revolution video, so we're not going to go into this. But apparently the finishes are not the same, so even though the colors look similar, they say it's not the same. But this one is like legit a dupe of this Subculture palette, so I'm excited to try this one. Ugh, just the color scheme of the Subculture palette and this here Retro Love palette just like hits me in the feels. I don't know what it is, but just this color palette in this palette is just beautiful. Oh, look at this. And I know there's a lot of issues with the Subculture palette. I haven't even used my Subculture palette, but I bought it to do the dupe videos. So I do have it, but I haven't even used it. But I know, and we all know the drama surrounding that Subculture palette. So if there is a palette that's going to dupe it and give you those results, those colors that you're wanting for a fourth of the price, because I think this guy's 10 bucks, why would you not want to try it? So we're going to swatch just a few. Oh, these feel really nice though. It's a little highlighter on my hand, so please don't mind that. But these are all mattes that I'm swatching right now, so they're not going to be quite. Mattes just don't seem to swatch. Look at that one though. Swatch as well on the hand as shimmers do, because the more pigment, the more kind of chalky it appears. But once it's blended on the eye, I have a feeling these are going to be beautiful. There is Rock and Roll. Really pretty. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Look at that. My hands are very dry, so please don't judge it on that. Quick swatches. Ooh, those are pretty. So yeah, I'm definitely impressed with the quality of these palettes so far. Ooh, what's next, girl? Let's look at this Oasis Highlight Kit. All this packaging is so pretty. It's like whatever glow kit this is, I don't think I own. You guys know which one this is. Let me know. I should know. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, what? Pina Colada is like a cream. I did not expect that at all. I thought that was definitely a powder, and I just touched it, and it's a cream. 1 cream and 3 powders. So we're gonna swatch Pina Colada, which is that cream. It's a gold. So that's the cream. You could use that as kind of a base. Ooh, that's pretty. This is gonna definitely be too gold for my skin tone, but it's beautiful. There you go. So there are the swatches. Again, my hand is a little bit stained from the other one, so hopefully you can still get a good look at those. Don't pay attention to this down here, but ooh, that cream is beautiful. So this one is the Aphrodite 18 color eyeshadow collection, and I believe this is the Huda Beauty, because you know I gotta say Huda Beauty, the rose gold palette. So I think this is a dupe of that rose gold palette, which I have sitting over there, but I'm going to wait to do a video for you guys of those two because I haven't really even used that one. So to show you what I think between the two. But look at this. Look how beautiful that is. And that's a $65 palette. I'm not sure how much they charge for this one, but again, most of their palettes are right in that $10 range, so they're crazy affordable. Yeah, look at this. Look at those. Ooh, girl. So they're piecey, just like the other ones. They literally are just like a pan pressed pigment. So if you use a base with them, you need to use a base. We'll just say that. Or if you use them foiled wet with a setting spray, what are words? With a setting spray, then you're going to get a better result. Oh, they're so soft. Look at these. So soft. So far, these ones feel the smoothest. Look at that pigment. Is that not crazy? Look at that. It's so smooth. It's so smooth and buttery that it's crazy. Pretty impressed, pretty impressed. ShopHush. 3 more items. So this next one is Inferno by Bad Habit. Maybe this is the Naked Heat. Do you like how I'm guessing before I even... You guys know what palette this is? I mean, it could be the Naked Heat palette, just formulated differently. It looks like the Naked Heat palette, but again, I don't have that next to me. That should have been in my 2017 favorites. What am I doing with my life? I just don't know how... I don't know. But anyway, this looks beautiful. Close it there. Girl, I can't stop swatching. These are so good, you guys. Here's the first ones. I know it's hard to tell, but just the way they swatch, look at that texture of those. Not the texture of my dry hands, but they look beautiful. You know when like, there's certain palettes if you swatch, if you have tried enough different eyeshadows and you have your favorite palettes, you kind of can tell when you swatch them if you're gonna like a shadow or not. Of course, sometimes we're surprised. Sometimes we're like, I'm not gonna like that, and I love it. Or I'm like, oh, that's gonna be bomb. And you put it on your eye and you're like, but this feels, this is how much I like it. We're swatching this whole palette, okay? Because I'm a little bit in love. Okay, that's that whole palette. Let's look at this. Put it in front of my face, though, right? It's gonna focus on my face. But hopefully you can see how beautiful that the whole palette is. Like those just swatched, so that's literally like a swirl in the pan. Plus that's just like my color story of life. I just love shades like this. I love a warm palette. I love a palette with reds. I just pretty much obsessed right now. So I can't wait to try this one on my face. So I'll definitely have to and keep you posted. Next we have the Paradise Highlight Kit. I don't know what this one is, so I apologize that I'm not 100% on what this one is. If it is a glow kit, I assume it's a glow kit. Anyway, this is the Paradise one. This one speaks to me more than that last one, than the Oasis one, because I feel like this one's much more fair skin friendly. At least with this guy, you can mix this one with other ones. It would be a pretty blush. This would be, why don't we swatch them and see? How about I just do that? This one is another cream. So Sunkist is a cream. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm going to swatch that guy over on the side because I want to see what it's gonna look like if I put that one down first and then this white one. Ooh, that's them mixed right there. That's up here. Well, up here is just the sun dipped, and then the other one is sun dipped and white sands together. Look at that. This one is one of those white ones that looks white, and then you swatch it and it looks much more gold. So that's those two mixed right there. And then white sands on its own. See, it looks super white, and then once you blend it out, you definitely see that golden reflect right there. That's gorgeous though. I still feel like that's enough of a white gold that I'll be able to wear it, and I can mix it with the other ones to hopefully make those a little more wearable as well. My type is the pinky one. Resting Beach Face is the gold. Wow, I have so much shadow on my dirty makeup wipe, but look at those two. Okay, Sun Dipped is freaking beautiful. That is gorgeous. I love a metallic glow. I love a metallic glow. And then the two mixed together right here, that and white sands. Girl, we have one left. We have the Royals. I'm not sure what the Royals is. Another eyeshadow collection. First of all, these eyeshadow pans look huge. I think this is a Modern Renaissance dupe. Am I wrong? Am I wrong? Obviously, this was my #1 palette of 2017 I just filmed with. So I'm wearing it on my eyes. So if you look at those, I'm thinking that's what it's duping. Sorry to show you my really used Modern Renaissance palette, but you guys, you can tell that I freaking love it. First of all, this shadow is named Queen. I want to use that as a highlight. That looks kind of like my highlight. It's named Queen. Some of these, just like in the Modern Renaissance palette, they aren't the most pigmented or brightest of colors. They're just very subtle. There's a lot of transition shades in this palette, which I love about it. So don't think that I'm talking it down. I'm just, as I'm swatching, I might do 2 coats on the lighter shades just so they really show up. But even when I do that, they still aren't super in your face. But then of course there's some in here that are just super bold, like the one that I have on my eye. Ooh, Majestic is beautiful. So again, my hands are dry. They have swatched, I don't know how many eyeshadows by now, but I want you to be able to see this. So look at that pigment. So pretty, so pretty. So I'm super impressed. I think it's cool. I don't know. I know you guys love dupe videos, so if you are into it, let me know. Let me know. I'm gonna guess that you are, because you guys seem to really love dupe videos. But let me know which ones you want to see first, which one you want to see the most, and I'll do that for you. If you want just a video flat out of me just comparing like a few of them at a time, I can do that, like doing all of the Anastasia dupes in one video, because there's a lot, because everyone wants to be like Anastasia, because I named my cat Anastasia, so you guys should know that I'm a fan. I'm a fan. So, okay, I think that's everything. Again, I have a coupon code. It is shortcake, so just use that code. I believe it saves you 10%, but I might be crazy. Yeah, okay, I think that's everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share it if you could, because it helps me out so much. And please subscribe if you have not already. All right, I love you guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Bad beauty vlogger. Bad beauty. I can't say beauty vlogger. Bad beauty girl. Bad beauty vlogger. Not knowing which one this is. This is all I see in the background every time I watch something and like try and do a close up. Just like me, like, hi guys. I'm getting eyeshadow all over my pajama pants because yes, I'm wearing pajama pants with this nice lace top right now. Can you see like how I just put my cream finger in the, okay, when you're looking in the viewfinder things are different, so let me wipe off my hand. Like if you try to I'm having too much fun. I haven't sat down and played with makeup in so long. The royalty palette shade. Maybe you should get it together and realize what is going on. I need to wipe my teeth. Something fierce, girl. Peace.